To come and to go are similar but different verbs. So what's the difference? To come. Do you want to come here for dinner? This means to the speaker's location. To go. No, let's go to the restaurant. This means away from the speaker's location. Quiz time. Lightning round. Come or go. Number 1. That's right, it's I can't wait to go back to my country. The speaker is going away from him or herself. Number 2. That's right, it's would you like to come here for dinner? This is to the speaker's location. Number 3. That's right, it's let's go to the Italian restaurant tonight. The speaker is going away from him or herself. Number 4. That's right, it's come back home. We miss you so much. This is to the speaker's location. Number 5. That's right, it's I miss Disney World so much. Let's go back. The speaker is going away from him or herself. This is only the foundational rule. This is not the full rule. These verbs can be complicated depending on who is speaking, but learning this rule is essential. In this lesson, we're going to learn phrasal verb secrets. To come over. Rachel and Tom are friends. They're talking about weekend plans. Hey, Tom, are you doing anything this weekend? Not really, just the usual. Why? What's up? I was thinking of baking some cookies and wondered if you'd like to help. That sounds like fun. I'd love to. When were you thinking? How about Saturday afternoon? Come over. We can bake and then watch a movie. Perfect. I'll bring some ice cream to go with the cookies. Looking forward to it. Quiz time. What does to come over mean? To bake at home? To bring ice cream? To visit someone at their home? To visit someone at any location? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To visit someone at any location. Phrasal verb secrets. Come over can mean come to my location, but is most frequently used when the person is home. Come over, I'm baking cookies. Over doesn't change the verb much, but makes the to my location part much stronger. The word over often represents an arc motion in our English minds. It can also mean above, but not in this context. Understanding over. Over represents an arc. It can be movement or it can mean above. The moon is shining over the mountains. The location of the moon is above. Tom, would you like to come over to my house? I'm going over to Rachel's house tonight, away from the speakers. I invited Tom over. He's going to come over at 6 to bake with me. Tom is my boyfriend. He's going to stay over and sleep over. Vocabulary. Overnight is a word we use in English to talk about time. The moon moves in an arc, representing time. The moon moves over or above our heads at night. In this case, we can imagine that overnight means all night. Apps to learn languages are really great to improve. But as someone who learned 3 languages, I can say that the best way is to have a conversation. But how can you practice English if you don't live in an English-speaking country? The answer is teacher marketplaces. Imagine having a real exciting conversation with a native English speaker and professional teacher anytime, anywhere. By studying through video call with a real person, you have an opportunity to practice and feel confident speaking English. In the description, I included discounts for you to start your English journey on italki or Preply. Take your first lesson today and then come back and let me know about your progress. Good luck, and thanks for watching Everything English with John.